How to restore Steam Cloud saves in Windows. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to restore Steam Cloud saves in Windows. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do is we make sure that the Steam Cloud is enabled first. To do that, just click on the Steam right here, and then from in there, just click on Settings. Now, once you have opened the Steam settings, from in there you can also see this cloud. So click on cloud right here and then make sure that Steam Cloud is enabled. If it's color blue, then that means it is enabled, and if it is gray, that means it is not. Now, once you have enabled that, just close this and restart your Steam. And then after you have restored your Steam, what you need to do next is you need to head over to your library right here. And then once you're on your library, what you need to do is you just need to choose the game that you want to restore the cloud save. So for example, for me that is Sims 4, so I can just right click on that, click on properties, and in here you should be able to see a cloud Steam save wherein you can actually restore it. So you just need to locate the file where it is active. And now, if you can't see that, you can just head over and click on Steam right here, and then click on this Restore Game Backup. Then after that, just browse your directory and just locate the game file where it has been saved. After that, click on Restore Backup right here, and it will be restored. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to restore Steam Cloud saves in Windows. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks!